Hello everyone. Welcome to your online class of GK of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, as your unit test is going to start from 17 August. So today in this video we will do revision. And your syllabus for unit test is from page number 7 to page number 20. Okay. So today in this video we will do revision. So for your first lesson that is given on page number 7 is boarding a flight. Okay, in this you have to means what you have to do, you have to number the following steps in the correct sequence starting from 1. Means you can see here steps are given to you, 10 steps are given, you have to arrange them in the correct sequence. Means how to board a फ्लाइट मीन्स कैसे एक एंट्री करते हैं फ़्लाइट में, उसके आपको स्टेप्स लिखने हैं. ओके, मीन्स आपको इनको अरेंज करना है एक करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज़ चूज़ अ फ्लाइट एंड बुक योर टिकट इन एडवांस. मीन्स पहले आपको क्या करना होता है, पहले आपको एक फ़्लाइट चूज़ करनी है और उसके लिए फिर आपको टिकट्स बुक करने हैं. देन द सेकेंड स्टेप इज़ कीप अ फोटो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ID प्रूफ ready with your ticket. Okay, third one is pack your luggage, see it does not exceed the maximum weight as stated in your ticket, otherwise you have to pay extra. मीन्स आप फिर अपना लगेज पैक करेंगे और ये ध्यान रखेंगे कि ज़्यादा वेट ना हो जाए आपके लगेज का, जितना टिकट पे लिखा हुआ है उतना ही रहे, नहीं तो आपको एक्स्ट्रा पे करना पड़ेगा. देन द फोर्थ स्टेप इज़ पैक योर हैंड बैगेज केयरफुली. और जो आप अपना हैंड बैगेज पैक करेंगे उसको ध्यान से करेंगे. मीन्स जो भी नेसेसरी आइटम है जो आपको चाहिए हो सकती हैं वो आप उसमें रख लेंगे. देन फिफ्थ वन इज़ अराइव एट द एयरपोर्ट एटलीस्ट 1 to 2 hours अर्ली. और आपको एयरपोर्ट पर पहुंचना है 1 से 2 hours पहले. ओके, देन सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज़ चेक इन एट द एयरलाइन डेस्क एंड कलेक्ट योर बोर्डिंग पास. देन आप वहाँ पर एयरलाइन डेस्क पे पहुँचेंगे और एंड कलेक्ट योर बोर्डिंग पास, और बोर्डिंग पास लेंगे. मीन्स उस पास को आप एयरलाइन डेस्क से ले लेंगे. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज़ दिस वन, गो थ्रू द सिक्योरिटी चेक. योर हैंड लगेज शुड गो थ्रू द कन्वेयर बेल्ट. मीन्स आप अपनी चेकिंग कराएंगे और जो आपका लगेज होगा उसको आप कन्वेयर बेल्ट में रख देंगे, जिसमें आपके बैग की भी चेकिंग हो जाएगी. देन फाइंड योर गेट नंबर. आप अपना गेट नंबर फाइंड करेंगे. यू हैव टू लिसन टू द अनाउंसमेंट और चेक द डिस्प्ले बोर्ड. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट वन इज़ बोर्ड द फ्लाइट, फॉलो द इंस्ट्रक्शंस ऑफ द एयर हॉस्टेस. मीन्स आप फिर फ्लाइट में एंट्री कर लेंगे और फिर वहाँ पे जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन एयर हॉस्टेस देगी आप वो सुनेंगे. देन द लास्ट वन इज़ once you land, collect your luggage from the conveyor belt and come out of the airport. और फिर जब आप वहाँ पे लैंड कर जाएगा आपका एयरक्राफ्ट, उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, अपना लगेज कलेक्ट करेंगे कन्वेयर बेल्ट से एंड कम आउट ऑफ द एयरपोर्ट. ओके, सो दीज आर द स्टेप्स that you have to follow for boarding a flight. Okay, now next lesson given on page number 8 is nature's fury. The world faces different natural hazards. So these are the natural hazards. You have to match these hazards with the correct picture and the correct description. Okay. So in test it can be simply asked that write description about flood or drought or earthquakes. So you have to learn these. Okay. Means pictures means you have to only learn this floods, then the description about the flood. Okay, as first one is flood. This is a picture for flood and the description about flood is it happens when water overflows from a river and land gets submerged in water. ये कब होता है, जब पानी वाटर जो है ओवरफ्लो कर जाता है एक रिवर में से और एंड लैंड गेट्स सबमर्ज्ड इन वाटर, और जो लैंड है वो उस पानी में नीचे मीन्स पानी सड़क पे रोड लैंड पर आ जाता है. देन सेकेंड वन इज़ अर्थक्वेक्स. अर्थक्वेक्स के लिए आप this one description about earthquake is it is the rumbling, rolling and shaking of the earth's surface. It is felt as a shock under our feet. ओके आप सबको पता है अर्थक्वेक क्या होता है, जब अर्थ की सरफेस आपको हिलती भी लगती है, दैट इज नोन एज अर्थक्वेक. सो दिस इज अ डिस्क्रिप्शन अबाउट अर्थक्वेक. Okay, then third one is drought. So its description is a long period of time when there is not enough rainfall or water in a particular area. Drought क्या होता है कि जब बहुत टाइम तक बारिश नहीं होती है, पानी नहीं होता है किसी एरिया में, that is known as drought. Now fourth one is tornadoes. They are violent rotating winds which look like funnels. Okay, means ये क्या होती हैं, दे आर वॉयलेंट रोटेटिंग विंड, रोटेट होती भी विंड्स बहुत तेज से, लुक लाइक अ फनल, जो एक फनल की तरह दिखती है. यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज टॉर्नेडो. ओके, दिस वन. नेक्स्ट इज hurricanes. Picture you can see here, and the description is they are also called cyclones. They are huge storms with strong spiral winds. ये क्या होती है? These are also called cyclones. इनको cyclones भी बोलते हैं. एंड दे आर ह्यूज स्टॉर्म्स, ये बहुत ही बड़े तूफान होते हैं विद स्ट्रॉन्ग स्पायरल विंड्स, और एक स्पायरल विंड की तरह विद स्ट्रॉन्ग स्पायरल विंड होती है इसमें. देन वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन. इट्स डिस्क्रिप्शन इज it is an opening on the earth's surface through which molten lava, ash and gases come out or erupt. क्या होते हैं वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन? एक अर्थ सरफेस में एक ओपनिंग हो जाती है जिसमें से मॉल्टन लावा या फिर ऐश या फिर गैसेस निकलती हैं, उसको बोलते हैं वॉल्केनिक, दैट इज वॉल्केनिक इरप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन इज एवलांच. दिस इज a mass of snow, ice and rock falling rapidly down a mountain side. Okay. Next one is tsunami. A long high sea wave caused by an underwater earthquake. Means underwater earthquake आना, जिसकी वजह से एक long और high sea wave बनती है, cause that is known as tsunami. Okay. So this is your lesson number nature's fury. You only have to learn these descriptions about these. Okay, so you have to learn the descriptions of all these. Now next one is sea stars. Look at the pictures given below. Using the clue box, identify them and write the correct letter for each picture. Okay, so how you have to learn this? You have to learn 5 or 6 name of these sea stars. Okay, you have to learn at least 6 name of these sea stars. So crab, lobster, manta ray, shrimp, clams, tiger shark, flounder fish, sea urchin, eel and swordfish. Okay, so you have to learn these names, at least 6 you have to learn. It can be asked, write the 6 names of sea stars. So you have to write, or 5 or 4, any means any number can come. So you have to learn the names of these sea stars. Next one is bird watch. Read the clues and name the birds. Also identify the birds and number them. So the first one is, it lives in warm climates and can mimic speech very well. So it is a parrot. Okay, the bird is parrot. Then second is, it is a common bird with red feathers on its breast. So it is robin. Okay, it has a large colorful beak and lives in rainforest. So it is toucan. Fourth one, it pegs holes in trees. So it is woodpecker. Okay, you have to learn these as fill in the blanks only. It is a bare-headed bird that eats dead animals. What it is? Vulture. Next is, it is a large bird of prey. It has a hooked bill, that is beak, and sharp talons, that is eagle. Okay. Next one is, it is the largest bird on earth. It is the fastest running bird, but it cannot fly. That is, it is ostrich. Eighth one is, this black and white bird cannot fly but swims very well. Penguin. It is a bird from New Zealand and is the size of a chicken. It has a long bill, beak and cannot fly. The name is kiwi. Okay. Then 10th one is it is very large, lives in South Africa and cannot fly. What it is? Rhea. Then 11th, it is a fish eater that lives near water and has a huge poised beak. What it is? Pelican. Next one is this bird is pink with long legs and a long neck. It is flamingo. Okay, so you have to learn these names of different birds according to their these hints that are given to you. Okay, you have to simply learn them as it is given, means fill in the blanks. Means these clues will be given to you and you have to identify the name of the bird. Okay, so you have to write down the name of the bird. Now next lesson is tech talk. Okay, so here, how well do you understand the technological terms that you hear all around you? To find out, choose the correct answer. Means according to these sentences that are given, you have to choose the correct answer. Means options are given to you, you have to only choose the correct answer. So first one is, how do you call a disk that holds more information than a CD? So its answer is DVD. Next one is, the term that refers to checking out websites on the internet is called surfing. So the correct answer is surfing. Third, in the world of internet, ISP stand for Internet Service Provider. Then fourth one, a firewall in computer is used for security. Fifth one, the unique address is the web page of a web page on the internet is called URL. Sixth one, the language which is used for writing web pages is HTML. Seventh one, Microsoft spreadsheet program is called Excel. Okay, you have to learn all these with options only you have to learn. Okay, options will come in your exam, that unit test paper. Okay, then eighth one is a journal or web page written by an individual on the web, usually on a particular topic, is called a blog. Okay, Internet Explorer is a web browser. Then 10th one is a junk email which is unwanted or not asked for is called spam mail. Okay, so by this our lesson Tech Talk is also completed, that is given on page number 12. Now remaining lessons we will revise in our next video. Till then you have to learn all these lessons that we revised today. Okay, so this is your homework, that you have to revise all these lessons. I hope that you all must have learned it in your holidays, and so you only have to revise now. So just revise these lessons, and the remaining lessons we will revise in our next video. Thank you.